Hello there and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you this amazing cranberry butter orange chicken. It is absolutely delicious and this is going to be one of my spreads for Thanksgiving this year or just any occasion. It is just amazingly delicious, so juicy and flavorful. Alright, so let's jump right into this video. These are the ingredients and we will be putting this together. There I have my butter, the rest of my herbs and spices, and make sure your butter is at room temperature. Those of us who do still have our cranberry like that right there, I'll leave the link how to make this amazing cranberry sauce in the description box. Mix it together and then we are going to lather this over the chicken under the skin. Exactly is what I'm doing here. Be generous with it, guys. Under the breast, make sure to massage it really well, and the thighs as well. And we're going to lather over the chicken, and you can add a dash of the orange seasoning, the orange pepper seasoning as well, or you can grate fresh orange zest. And we are going to bake, but let me show you what it looks like. All right, we are going to bake this for the first 30 minutes. Now you're going to see lots of oil in the pan. You're going to drain that and you are going to make this amazing base or glaze for the chicken. All right, this is simply the ingredients there, and it will also be in the description box. All right, guys, this chicken is so amazing. I can't wait for y'all to try it. You can even do this method with your turkey as well. And after you bake for the first 30 minutes, you place it back into the oven. This is the result, guys. Look at this chicken. All right, so I do hope you guys make this. It was just a simple dinner. I know I'll be making fresh sauce this year, so I wanted to use it out. And what better way to use those leftover cranberry sauce than to make this amazing chicken. So do not forget to subscribe, and I see y'all later. Bye-bye.